In this recording, I'm going to show you how you can see student recognition from a student view in Otus. So I'm using the fake student account for Northwood, and you can actually access this. I linked it to the email, but it was in a previous staff connection as well. As you can see, it's Bruce Wayne at nssd112.org. Password capital N Northwood 112 exclamation point. And then when I log in, you should be able to see what the students see. So here on the home screen, it's like a feed, okay, and it goes through different assignments or assessments. But you can also see, if you scroll down, this little plus sign, and that it says you were assigned a recognition. And for what? Participating positively. So this is the student view. You can see it on your feed. But then you can also, if you go to classes, it should pop up right here where this little plus sign is, okay? And if you click on it, it also says how the student earned the recognition, okay? And what day. So that's how you can see the recognitions from the student view. Thank you. And as always, let me know if you have any questions.